Hello, it's Mark and Greg here with Heartland Honda. We're going to go over a brand new Gator Trax boat with you today. We got Mark here to go over a little bit of the features and what we have with you. What do we got going on here?
We got a 1650 tunnel hunt deck with a 65 Honda Jet on it. This is going to be a super quiet, super efficient river boat. We've got the spud poles on it. It's got a 12-gallon fuel tank on it. We've got the extreme nav light on this thing, so you can't tear this thing up and it stays wherever it's at. You never lose it. It's got nav lights in the side up there, so you don't got to worry about lights. Got two catwalks on the driver's side over here. It's an enclosed catwalk. You've got plenty of storage for guns or fishing poles. It's got two accesses here that you can get into this thing, so you can store a ton of gear. The other side's open. Put your spud poles or whatever gear you need under there. Up front, it's got their traditional dry storage here. Put your trolling motor batteries here, a few life jackets, whatnot. You can see how stout this thing's built. It's crazy, the welds and the attention to detail that goes into this. Got the trolling motor mount here, all welded up. Trolling motor plug there. It's got the tie-out cleat up front. It's got one of the new features, day box here, which is extremely, you can put wallet, keys, shotgun shells, fishing lures, whatever. And it's got the removable 2-foot hunt deck, so you can fish with this, or you can remove it if you're duck hunting or whatever, trout fishing in the river. And then back here, we have got more dry storage box here, ton of room in that one. And on the other side, got another day box, once again, just more gear. You can put coolers in this thing, however you want to load it out. Come check it out at Heartland Honda. This is gonna be a bad little rig.
Thanks for watching.